Good morning. Today we will start remaining LAQs. Fifth bit, second question. Fifth bit, second question. A plus B into A omega plus B omega square into A omega square plus B omega equal to A cube plus B cube. Prove that A plus B into A omega plus B omega square into A omega square plus B omega equal to A cube plus B cube. So that is one of the properties given. 1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity. In the previously it is given are the cube roots of unity. Then we have 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega cube equal to 1. So then we can write as whereas to 1 plus omega square nothing but minus 1. If we have to go on through it. Next the LHS it is given A plus B into A omega plus B omega square into A omega square plus B omega. So that is now multiply general multiplication for second and third terms. A square omega cube plus AB omega square plus AB omega power 4 plus B square omega cube. So just that is equal to A plus B into A square into omega cube nothing but 1. Product of the cube roots of unity is 1 plus AB as common, then you get omega square plus omega power 4 plus B square. Why? Because omega cube is 1. So then we have A plus B into A square omega square plus omega power 4. Omega power 4 nothing but omega. Next omega plus omega square nothing but minus 1. Then minus 1 plus B square. That is nothing but A cube plus B cube. This is the basic formula. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Here omega power 4 nothing but omega. So then here omega plus omega square nothing but minus 1. Then here we are writing AB into minus 1, that is minus AB. Omega cube nothing but 1. So therefore A cube plus B cube. So what is the question is given? A plus B into A omega plus B omega square into A omega square plus B omega equal to A cube plus B cube. So that is A plus B as same thing. A square omega cube plus A general multiplication. AB into omega square plus general multiplication. AB omega power 4 plus B square into omega cube. So just multiply omega cube nothing but 1 and remaining omega square plus omega power 4 nothing but minus 1, that is minus AB plus B square. That's all. This same thing as to third question is given. Fifth bit, fifth bit, third question. So fifth bit, third question, that is 1 omega square are cube roots of unity. Then prove that x plus y plus z into x plus y omega plus z omega square into x plus y omega square plus z omega equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. We have to prove this value where 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, then show that LHS value becomes to RHS. In the same way, we have to write where 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, That implies 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega cube equal to 1. Then LHS we can write as same thing, x plus y plus z into x plus y omega plus z omega square plus x plus y omega square plus z omega equal to, we have to prove RHS part. So then simplification same thing, x plus y plus z, keep it as same. Then general multiplication with x into all those terms. Then you get x square plus xy omega square plus xz omega plus xy omega plus y square omega cube plus yz omega square plus xz omega square plus yz omega power 4 plus z square omega cube. So that is nothing but x plus y plus z into x square as it is plus y square term is there. Y square term is omega cube, nothing but 1, and last term is z square, that is also z square. Next I am taking xy as common. Xy means here omega, and xy is where are there? Xy, another xy is there, omega square, that is omega plus omega square as common plus, don't take as that is a y square. Just xy is common. Here also xy is there. That's why I'm writing. So that is yz as common. Yz as common. Then you get here yz is there, here yz. But omega square plus omega power 4 nothing but, and omega power 4 nothing but omega. That is very basic question. And next one yz and zx is there. Omega square plus omega power 4. So that is total value. Then you get x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy because omega plus omega square nothing but from this minus 1, and this has 2 minus yz minus zx. Then goes to basic formula. Then you get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That's all. This is the question number fifth bit, second question. What we have taken here, x plus y omega plus z omega square into x plus y omega square plus z omega. Multiplication, general multiplication, x square plus xy omega square, xz omega, xy omega, and y square omega cube plus yz omega square plus xz omega square plus yz omega power 4 plus z square omega cube, where x square is same and y square also same. Y square term is there, y square omega cube nothing but 1, and z square in last term, that is z square. Xy terms here, xy is there, here xy is there. So omega plus omega square common, yz terms omega square plus omega, and zx equal to omega square plus omega power 4 nothing but omega only. Omega power 4 is omega. So that is from this omega 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Then we can write as omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. Here also minus 1. Here also minus 1. So this total term multiplied by basic formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That's all. And then go to the last question in this bit. 1 by fifth bit, fifth, fourth, sixth problem. Fourth problem. 1 by 1 plus 2 omega minus 1 by 1 plus omega plus 1 by 1 2 plus omega. becomes to 0. So the value same thing, 1 omega square are cube roots of unity. Then prove that this value, just I am doing 1 by 1 plus 2 omega positive terms as one side rearranging. So 2 plus omega minus 1 by 1 plus omega I am taking. Wherever what are the values are given, 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, that implies 1 plus omega square equal to 0, and then get 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square, all those, and omega cube equal to 1. Basic rules. So that is why I am taking for this first two terms only I am taking LCM minus 1 by 1 plus omega, nothing but we have minus omega square. From this 1 plus 2 omega into 2 plus omega, just I am taking LCM for first two terms only. Then you get 2 plus omega plus 1 plus 2 omega. That is 3 plus 3 omega divided by multiplication 2 plus omega plus 4 omega plus 2 omega square. Minus into minus plus 1 by omega square. Numerator part 1 3 as common, 1 plus omega divided by 2 plus 5 omega plus 2 omega square plus 1 by omega square. That is 3 into 1 plus omega divided by 5 omega. I am splitting for 2 omega in plus 3 omega. Why? Because 2 is there, 2 omega square is there. Just I am writing 2 omega plus 2 omega square plus remaining 3 omega aside plus 1 by omega square. That is nothing but 3 into 1 plus omega, nothing but minus omega square divided by 2 as common, 1 plus omega square plus 3 omega plus 1 by omega square as common. That is minus 3 omega square by 2 into this value becomes to 0. Then you get 3 omega plus 1 by omega square. That is 3 cancel. 1 omega square 1 be cancel. That is minus omega plus 1 by omega square, nothing but omega. That is becomes to 0. Why? Because 1 by omega square equal to omega cube by omega square. So that is nothing but omega. Therefore 1 by omega square nothing but omega. That's why we writing as minus omega plus omega becomes to 0. Therefore the question is given 1 by 1 plus 2 omega minus 1 by 1 plus omega plus 1 by 2 plus omega equal to 0. So what is the question? By first two terms I am taking LCM minus 1 by 1 plus omega, nothing but minus omega square, minus plus, and this becomes to 3 plus 3 omega, and just multiplication 2 plus omega plus 4 omega plus 2 omega square. Numerator 3 as common, just 5 omega I am splitting 2 plus 3. Then you get 2 plus 2 omega plus 2 omega square plus 3 omega as it is plus 1 by omega square. So that is equal to 3 into minus omega square by 2 into 1 plus omega square plus 3 omega. This total value becomes to 0. Then you get 3 omega in denominator. Numerator minus 3 omega square. Then you get minus omega plus 1 by omega square, nothing but omega. Minus omega plus omega, nothing but 0. So therefore the given question make it to equal to 0. This is the question number 5, fifth bit, fourth question. The now sixth bit I am going. So please all of make a note. This is very important. In previous 3 years back this question has asked in the IP question. Next go to the sixth question. Question number 6. 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, and x is equal to, given that, omega minus omega square minus 2. Then show that x square plus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. x equal to omega minus omega square minus 2. Then prove that. So this value is nothing but given x equal to omega minus omega square minus 2. I am taking x plus 2 equal to omega minus omega square. Now squaring on both sides, x plus 2 whole square equal to omega minus omega square whole square. So that is expansion only. X square plus 4 plus 4x equal to omega square plus omega power 4 minus 2 omega cube. So that is x square plus 4 plus 4x equal to omega square plus omega minus 2. So omega square plus omega is nothing but 1 plus omega square equal to 0, whereas given that 1 so omega square plus omega is nothing but minus 1 and omega cube equal to 1, since whereas 1 omega square are cube roots of unity. Then x square plus 4 plus 4x equal to minus 1 minus 2. That implies x square plus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. Now hence proved. So x equal to, what is the question is given? X equal to omega minus omega square minus 2 value is given. So then show that this value. So minus 2 come this side, x plus 2 squaring on both sides, where omega power 4 nothing but omega, omega power 4 nothing but omega, and omega square plus omega equal to minus 1 and omega cube equal to 1. The basic rules are so already minus 3. Therefore, we can prove as x square plus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. This go to the sixth question. Now going to seventh question. Seventh question number 7. 1 omega square are cube roots of unity. Then prove that minus omega square are the roots of z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. Z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0, where 1 omega square are cube roots of unity is given. What is the question given? 1 omega square are cube roots of unity is given. Cube roots of unity. Then we can write as omega nothing but minus 1 plus root 3I by 2 and omega square value nothing but minus 1 minus root 3I by 2. This is the given. Given equation is z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. So by finding the roots, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So my 1 plus or minus root over 1 minus 4 by 2. That is nothing but 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. So therefore the roots are z equal to 1 of the root is 1 plus root 3i by 2 and another root is 1 minus root 3i by 2, which is nothing but 1 plus root 3i nothing but becomes as 2 minus omega square. This has 2 minus omega. So minus omega this is as 2 minus omega square. Therefore minus omega square minus omega comma minus omega square are the roots of z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. Why? Because omega equal to minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, omega square equal to minus 1 minus root 3i by 2, nothing but this value is nothing but minus omega square. So this value nothing but minus root 3i by 2, nothing but minus omega. In the question given equation solving minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this we can get we got this expression values roots, which is nothing but minus omega square and which is nothing but minus omega. Therefore minus omega comma minus omega square are the roots of the given equation is proved. Then go to the question number 8. Question number 8. Alpha beta are the roots of alpha, beta are the roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Then prove that alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus alpha power minus 1 beta power minus 1 equal to 0. So alpha beta are the roots of the given equation are given. So suppose if we take alpha equal to omega and beta equal to omega square. So the question is given, the question alpha beta are the roots of the equation, nothing but 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So it is one of the cube roots of unity, it will be satisfied. That's why I am taken as one root is equal to omega and beta equal to omega square, nothing but omega power 4, nothing but omega and omega square plus 1. 1 plus omega square, nothing but equation satisfying. Therefore I am taking as roots alpha equal to omega and beta equal to omega square. So there alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus alpha power minus 1 beta power minus 1. Then substitute omega power 4 omega square whole to the power of 4 1 by omega into 1 by omega square. Omega power 4 nothing but omega. Omega power 8 nothing but omega power 8 nothing but divide by 8. Remainder as 3. So 3 to the 6. Remainder as 2. 2. So that's why it has to be what? Omega square. If the power of omega greater than 3, then it is becomes to omega square and 1 by omega cube. So that is omega plus omega square nothing but minus 1 plus 1. So nothing but 0. Therefore, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus alpha power minus 1 beta power minus 1 equal to 0. What we have taken? Alpha equal to omega, beta equal to omega square. Then substitute in the question omega power 4 nothing but omega power 4 nothing but omega power 8 nothing but omega square. So then omega cube nothing but 1. Therefore this value is nothing but inka 1 plus omega square equal to 0 nothing but omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. These are the basic formulas. So all those we needed that formulas, then you get the value is 0. That's all. First learn formulas very fast and learn పక్కా correctly నేర్చుకోండి, ఈజీగా వస్తుంది అప్పుడు. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 9. Question number 9. If z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0, where z is a complex number, prove that z plus 1 by z whole square, z square plus 1 by z square whole square, z cube plus 1 by z cube whole square plus so on, z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 whole square equal to 12. So z is a complex number, this value becomes to 0, this value total value becomes to 12. We need to prove. That is the solution. So let z equal to some number, complex number, that is omega. So then substitute as LHS 1 by 1 z plus 1 by z, that is omega plus 1 by omega. So omega plus 1 by omega nothing but omega square nothing but minus 1. Why? Because 1 by omega is nothing but 1 is omega cube by omega. So that is omega square. Therefore 1 by omega equal to omega square. Similarly, z square plus 1 by z square equal to omega square plus 1 by omega square, that is equal to omega square plus 1 by omega square nothing but omega cube by omega square, nothing but omega. So that is 1 by omega square nothing but omega. Then it is also minus 1. The third term is z cube plus 1 by z cube, that is omega cube plus 1 by omega cube, that is 1 plus 1, that is becomes to 2. And remaining next term z power 4 plus 1 by z power 4, that is omega power 4 plus 1 by omega power 4. Omega power 4 nothing but omega. Omega plus 1 by omega. That is 1 by omega nothing but 1 by omega nothing but omega square. So right here omega plus omega square nothing but minus 1. Z power 5 plus 1 by z power 5. That is omega power 5 plus 1 by omega power 5. That is omega power 5 nothing but omega square. 1 by omega square nothing but omega. That is nothing but minus 1. Z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 equal to. So omega power 6 plus 1 by omega power 6 nothing but 1 plus 1, that is becomes to 2. So therefore z plus 1 by z whole square, z square plus 1 by z square whole square plus so on up to z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 whole square equal to 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. That is nothing but 12. That's all. Basic rules, Nana. Find out the basic rules. 1 by omega square nothing but omega. This is 1 by omega square. 1 by omega nothing but omega square. Omega power 4 nothing but omega. And omega plus omega square nothing but minus 1. Why? Because 1 plus omega square equal to 0. That's why all those we substituted in simplification. Then you get answer becomes to 12. The basic rules we have to learn. Basic rules 1 by omega square equal to omega. 1 by omega nothing but omega square. Omega power 4 nothing but omega. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Omega cube equal to 1. If it is 1 plus omega square nothing but omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. So all those we have to learn. So now goes to question number 10. Find all the values of first bit 1 plus I whole to the power of 2 by 3. Second bit is minus 16 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So first value is given. First question, find all the values of 1 plus I whole to the power of 2 by 3. First let us consider complex number. So that is multiply and divide by root over x square plus y square, that is r. So that is root 2. Then I am doing multiply and divide plus 1 plus I by root 2. Root 2 as common, root 2 will be get cancelled, then you get 1 plus multiply and divide by modulus, that is root 2 into, now since this form you can write cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. So this is 1 plus I. Then go to the 1 plus I whole to the power of 2 by 3. That is nothing but root 2 into 6 pi by 4 whole to the power of 2 by 3 is given. So 2 to the power of 2 by 3, root 2 nothing but 2 to the power of half. 2 to get cancelled, then you get 2 to the power of 1 by 3. And since 2 will be joined with argument 2 pi by 4 as the power of 1 by 3. So it represents 3 values. So nothing but 2 to the power of 1 by 3 into 6 of pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3 represents 3 values. Why? Because it is the cube roots of 6 of pi by 2. Cube roots of these values represents pi by 2, where k equal to 0 and 1 and 2 we should take. So nothing but 6 theta whole to the power of 1 by n formula you can take. That is the formula 6 of nth roots of unity, Nana, 2k pi plus theta by n, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, so on integers up to n minus 1. 0 is included, that's why you can take it as n minus 1. So this is the formula for nth roots of unity. That's why we have to take in this one. Therefore, 2 to the power of 1 by 3 into cis of 2k pi plus theta nothing but pi by 2 by n nothing but 3, where k equal to how many value represents? 3 values. So now the last step is 2 to the power of 1 by 3 into cis of LCM 4k pi plus pi by 6, that is 4k plus 1 into pi by 6, where k equal to 0, 1, 2. If it is k equal to 0, substitute, you get 2 to the power of 1 by 3 is pi by 6 of the 1 of the value. And second value is cis 2 to the power of 1 by 3 cis of 5 pi by 6, second value. And third value 2 to the power of 1 by 3 9 pi by 6. So that is the values of 1 plus I whole to the power of 2 by 3. So 1 plus I you should take first, consider in the modulus amplitude form you should write. So that is root 2 modulus multiply and divide by root 2. Then you get root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 in the power raised to 2 to the 2 by 3, that is root 2 power cis of pi by 4 whole to the power of 2 by 3. So 2 inside joined with argument as per De Moivre's, then 2 pi by 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3, that is n cubed root of unity. Cis pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3 represents the three values k equal to 0, 1, 2, and this is the formula for finding the nth roots of unity cis 2k pi, where theta equal to here pi by 2, n equal to 3. Now taking the LCM 4k pi plus pi by 6, that is 4k plus 1 into pi by 6, k equal to 0, 1, 2 are the three values. In the similar way second bit is there. So second bit we have to solve. Second bit, that is question number 10, second bit, that is minus 16 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Find all the values. So 16 fourth minus 16 fourth roots. So our convenience, you have to write 16 to the power of 1 by 4 into minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Why? Because 16 fourth root means becomes to 2, minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 4 you should have to find. So 2 into minus 1 nothing but cis form is minus 1, cis pi is minus 1. So 1 by 4, that is 2 into cis of 2k pi plus theta nothing but pi by n is nothing but 4, where k equal to dash to 0, 1, 2, 3. Since cis theta whole to the power of 1 by n nothing but nth roots of unity nothing but cis of 2k pi plus theta by n, where k has to 0, 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. That's why we have taken it as this as a formula for finding the nth roots of unity. Now substitute as to this value, where theta equal to here pi, n as to 4. That's all. 2 into cis of 2k pi plus pi by 4, where k equal to 0 represents 4 values. So that is 2 into cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 4. K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. If it is k equal to 0, one of the value, say k equal to 2, second value, k equal to 2, k equal to 3, put. So you get 4 values. That's all. This carries in objective questions. So next go to the 11th bit, that is goes to question number, find the product of the all values of 1 plus I whole to the power of 4 by 5. Similar question in previous 10th bit, first bit like this only. Question number 11, find the product of all the values of 1 plus I whole to the power of 4 by 5. Just now we 10th bit, first bit we have done na. In similar way, the first we have to find 1 plus I. 1 plus I to first value, that is, then you get all those values. First simplify as to 1 plus I. So 1 plus I as to first One consider complex number, that is nothing but just now we proved root 2 into 6 pi by 4. So that is 1 plus I. Then goes to the power, in power goes to whole to the power of 4 by 5 is there. That is nothing but root 2 into 6 of pi by 4 whole to the power of 4 by 5. Okay. Just now we written 10th bit first question in this way. Just multiply and divide by root 2. 1 root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2. That is root 2 of cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. You have to write Nana. 2 into root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Nothing but root 2 into 6 pi by 4. Now the power raised to 4 by 5. So root 2 into 6 pi by 4 whole to the power of 4 by 5. Now simplify power 4 inside of the angle. So then go to write as 1 plus I whole to the power of 4 by 5. That is nothing but 6 of root 2 is there na. Root 2 of 6 of 4 pi by 5. 6 of 4 pi by 5. 4 pi by 4 pi by 4 only. Whole to the power of, okay. Total value also not. What is the value we have to got? 6 pi by 4 whole to the power of, total value becomes to 4 by 5. We have got that value. Root 2 power 4 by 5. 4 by 5 write as it is into 6 of 4 pi by 4. It is 6 form only, just number will come and fifth roots will be outside. That is represents 5 values. So nothing but root 2 power 4 by 5 means root 2 power 1 by 2. That is nothing but 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 1 by 5. Root 2 whole power 1 by 5 nothing but 4 to the power of 1 by 5 into 6 pi whole to the power of 1 by 5. Represents 5 values nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is 0, you can write. And nothing but in the form of we have to write now. So 4 to the power of 1 by 5 into 6 of 2k pi plus theta by n. N is nothing but 5. Represents k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4 to the power of 1 by 5 into 6 of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is k equal to 0, then you get 4 to the power of 1 by 5 into 6 pi by 5. Okay. If k equal to 1, nothing but 4 to the power of 1 by 5 into 6 3 pi by 5. If k equal to 2 root, write as 4 to the power of 1 by 5 into 6 of 6 5 2 nothing but 2 plus 1 5 pi nothing but 6 pi. In similarly, k equal to 3 write as 4 to the power of 1 by 5 into 6 of 7 pi by 5. K equal to 4 last term, 4 to the power of 1 by 5 nothing but 6 of 9 pi by 5. Now in the question is given that product of all values. Product of all values. In product means 4 to the power of 1 by 5 as common. Then you get 6 of pi by 5 plus 3 pi by 5 plus 6 alpha into 6 beta into 6 gamma into 1. So 6 alpha into 6 beta nothing but 6 of alpha plus beta. That's why I am writing all those angles I am adding. Pi plus 7 pi by 5 plus 9 pi by 5. So that is nothing but 4 to the power of 5. Already this has 2 power rows. 5 is there now. So that is why write as 4 only. No. This not. This has 2. How many terms? 5 terms are there na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 to the power of 5. That is why becomes to 4 into cis of total values we can add 9, 16, 25. 25 pi by 5. So that is 4 into cis 5 pi. Cis 5 pi nothing but 4 into cis pi whole to the power of 5. Cis pi nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of 5. That is nothing but minus 4. This is the answer. So first write the 1 plus I whole to the power 1 plus I as 2 in the cis form na. In previous 1 plus I nothing but root 2 into cis pi by 4. Next write as to 1 plus I whole to the power of 4 by 5 power raised to 4 by 5. So root 2 into cis of pi by 4 whole to the power of 5 whole to the power of 4 by 5. Then root 2 power 4 by 5 into cis of 4 pi by 4. 4 only the number will join with argument 1 by 5 represents 5 values. So this is nothing but cis pi whole to the power of 1 by 5. So that is cis of 2k pi plus theta by n. Formula is there. Cis theta whole to the power of 1 by n. Write as formula, that is cis of 2k pi plus theta by n. Nth roots of unity formula nana. So that is cis of 2k pi plus theta means pi. N means 5. So k equal to, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing but 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now substituted, put k equal to 0, k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to 3, k equal to 4, all those values. Now product is asking, therefore product of the all values is 4 to the power of 1 by 5 is common. How many times are there? This has to 5 times. Cis alpha into cis beta, nothing but cis of alpha plus beta. So all those angle you should add. Then you get cis of 25 by pi. That is cis 5 pi, nothing but cis 5 whole to the power of 5 minus 1, that is cis pi. So that is minus 1, that is minus 4 only. So this is the value of question number 11. Question number 11 question. So product of all values he is asking. That's why we completed this. So practice on this most. Now go to the question number 12. Question number 12. Most important question. Solve x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. 7 mark question in IPE. Most important. So x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0 means you have to write as x power 4 equal to 1. Then x equal to write as 1 to the power of 1 by 4. So 1 nothing but cis 0. Cis 0 degrees whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now it is in the form cis theta whole power 1 by n. So x equal to cis of 2k pi plus theta means 0 by n means 4. So represents 4 values. So that is cis of 2k pi by 4 nothing but k pi by 2 represents k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is substituted, put k equal to 0, then cis 0, that is nothing but cos 0 plus I sin 0, that is equal to 1. So suppose k equal to 1 nothing but cis pi by 2, nothing but cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So nothing but sin 90 is 1, that is I. So k equal to is 2, right? So that is cis pi nothing but cos pi plus I sin pi, that is nothing but minus 1. K equal to 3 nothing but cis of 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 nothing but cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. So nothing but Cos 3 pi by 2 nothing but odd multiples of 90 is 0. Cos of odd multiples 0. Sin and multiples that is minus I. Therefore, the equation root the for all the values of x here. Therefore, the all the roots of given equation is x equal to 1 minus 1 I and minus I. That is nothing but that the values are nothing but x equal to plus or minus 1 plus or minus I. This carries 7 marks in the IPE. So x power 4 nothing but x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. This formula is cis theta whole to the power of 1 by n. Nothing but cis of 2k pi plus theta by n, where n equal to k equal to 0, 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. This is the formula for nth roots of unity. So nth roots of unity formula is this. Then cis of 2k pi plus theta means 0 by 4. Cis k pi by 2, cis 0, cis pi by 2, cis pi, cis 3 by 2. Therefore, all the roots of the given equation is plus or minus 1 plus or minus I. So this is the question. So therefore, practice more.